Good evening students, welcome to the channel Physicore. Let's discuss another important problem on the topic of resistance in the chapter current electricity. In this problem we have to find out the equivalent resistance of this frustum having the radius A at one end and the radius B at the another end. ठीक है, तो in this let us consider द फ्रस्टम. अगेन रीड्रो इट्स डायग्राम. इसका डायग्राम रीड्रो करते हैं. मान लो दिस इज द रेडियस ए एंड करंट इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ये करंट एंटर कर रहा है इसके अंदर. तो इन दिस रेडियस इज बी. टू फाइंड इट्स रेजिस्टेंस लेट एट द डिस्टेंस एक्स कंसिडर द स्मॉल लेंथ. एक छोटी सी लेंथ आप dx माने. दिस इज द लेंथ dx. It is having the radius y, for example. So we know that the formula for the resistance is dr is equal to the resistivity rho, the length dx upon the area. Area is pi y square. Now with respect to dx we have to integrate y square. First we will convert dx into y or y into dx. For this let's find the relation between y, a and b. In this diagram you can see that the total height is h. In the height h the radius a changes to b. So the rate of change of the radius is a minus b upon h. B minus a upon h. So at any distance x you can write y is equal to a तो होगा ही होगा plus b minus a upon total height is h. At the distance it is equal to x. Let differentiate both sides. तो dy is equal to 0 plus b minus a upon h and x का 1 और फिर x का dx. So dx is equal to b minus a upon h into again rearrange. Dx is equal to h upon b minus a into dy. Let put this value. इस value को put कर दें अब. Then dr is equal to rho. Instead of dx we will write h upon b minus a into dy upon pi y square. Let integrate it from a to b. The y will change from the radius a to the radius b. Now r is equal to rho h upon pi b minus a is constant. We have to integrate dy upon y square from a to b. Its integration is rho h upon pi b minus a and the integration is minus 1 upon I from a to b. Let's put the limits. Rho h upon pi, this minus sign will get applied so that a minus b. Put the limits 1 upon b minus 1 upon a. Let's solving it. Rho h upon pi a minus b. Taking the LCM AB, that will be equal to a minus b. This is a to b. Then a minus b will be cancelled out. So your final answer is rho h upon pi a minus b. Hence, rho h upon pi ab. Hence the final answer is B. Thank you. Have a nice day.